Hi, Rick Ewenhoven here. Today I want to talk about parent pledge or guarantees and what does that mean for you as a potential home purchaser. Well, what can happen is if we don't have enough savings built up in our bank account, we can actually ask generally our parents or a relative to support us in actually getting the money that we need to actually buy a property. And so what happens is if we don't go down a normal low deposit pathway, our parents can actually put some of the equity that they have on their property as our deposit. But one thing I do want to remind you of here is there's two different types of events that happen in a loan transaction. There is the servicing or the income that we need to service a loan, and then there's also our deposit to purchase the property, because we can't do 100% loan. So don't confuse the parent pledge with servicing. Servicing is based on our income and our capacity to repay a loan. The parents helping us with their equity in their house is actually forming the deposit in the bank's view. So what we want to do is, if our parents are going to do it, is use a bank where they don't take the whole security or the house of the parents to go towards a loan. Instead, we want to use a bank where they only take the percentage, which is 20%. And some banks will do that now. And then what we're doing is we're not locking our parents' whole property into the transaction whilst we try to build 20% equity in our own property to move the parents off our title. So what we need to do is go for one of those banks. And we need to really have a strong communication with our parents so they appreciate and understand that when they do the parent pledge, they are making a commitment to us for multiple years until we can remove them. Look forward to speaking to you soon.